Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is my face, and you may have noticed that I'm using obnoxious glasses to cover up my lack of awake. It is because before I do the point of this video, I'm really hungry, okay? I am very hungry. So before I do anything with my face, I'm gonna go to one of my favorite cafes, bars, restaurants. It's a cafe first, and then past a certain hour, it's a bar, I guess. But I've never been there in the evening. I always like to get my breakfast there. So yeah, here we go. It's actually mad sunny. Oh, train's not coming, apparently. Okay, I'm back, and I've got a swishy swish because it's quite hot, which is nice. It's nice. Anyway, I've got a little bit of yesterday's eyebrows still on. My eyebrows have grown out immensely. Oh yeah, my eyebrows really need doing. Okay, I don't know where my nail cream is, and I don't want to tweeze my eyebrows, and I don't want to have to leave to go to Asda, so this might not be happening. So let me explain what is happening here. Me being the top-notch YouTuber that I am, did not make sure that my mic was properly plugged in, and I've been salty about it for the last 2 days because I think this is where I was the funniest, but I had to cut it all out because with no audio it makes absolutely no sense. However, if you would like to use or already use removal cream, I find the best technique is to carve around the shape of the brow that you would like you would do with your concealer in your makeup routine. I personally find that this is a hell of a lot gentler on my face. You can slap some on any problem areas like I am. And yeah, as I'm not a fan of threading or tweezing, this is just a lot nicer for me.
So I've just realised that my mic might not have been plugged in for the entirety of the first part. Mildly annoyed. That is all.
Okay, so next what you need is like a scrapey scrape thing. It comes in the box, but you then want to pretend that you're shaving. If you don't have a scrapey scrape because you lost it or it didn't come in the hair removal cream packet that you got, I once used an old credit card, so oh yeah, that'll do. Next, what you're going to need is some bleach. I do have the Blonde Me by Schwarzkopf because I am a hairdresser, but that's my good bleach, and apparently I don't think my eyebrows are worth that. Some peroxide. I would recommend just a 6 or a 9 depending on the result you want, but I can't find my 9, so 12 it is. And you will also need a tint bowl and brush. I don't have a tint bowl small enough, so I just use like half of a little eyelash tray that I kept. I wash it every time, and a little angled brush. Yeah. You won't need that much. That was excessive. Mix. What I like to do next is actually get a spoolie, brush everything up, just like you're filling in your brows, and then you just yeah. That was clever. Disclaimer, if you've got sensitive skin, I don't recommend doing both these things on the same day because it can be a bit... Sorry, my eye was in danger, it was dripping. As I was saying, it can be super irritating for your skin if it's quite sensitive, so I would maybe, if you insist on doing it the way I do it, then definitely have a break, maybe a day or 2 apart so your skin has time to calm down. I am at the peak of my attractiveness right now, in this moment. Spoolie again, brush that through, make sure everything is nice and covered is the word I was looking for. Brushing through with a spoolie is important because you do not want patchy brows. Patchy brows are not the way forward. Oh, that's why I recognised it. Playing Street Fighter music. Oh my god, it's not Street Fighter, it's Capcom versus SNK, what am I saying? So the next thing I like to do is rip off tiny pieces of foam wraps from Salon Services, it says right there. And just ta-da! And then go about my business for about 45 minutes because I like mine really, really blonde. Can anyone take me seriously right now? I don't think so. I tell you what, mate, foam wraps are the dog's bollocks. But we are done. After washing your face, that is all there is to it. Now from here, what you can do is you can either dye your eyebrows, or what I like to do is I like to take my little eye magic palette and then mix any colour I like to have whatever eyebrow colour I like, normally to match what colour I have in my hair at the time. Short and sweet, straight to the point. This is how I do my eyebrows. And now I can make sure that I have them pink, green, blue, black for work. Awesome. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next one.